Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome Music Lab and going straight to Songmaker so you can hear results immediately. Set the tempo between 120 and 140 BPM to match Megalovania's drive. Choose 16 bars with 8 beats per bar for loopable phrasing. Pick the piano timbre and place your root octave at C4 to keep the melody readable. Once done, mark the main melody line on beats 1/2, and sync the rhythm grid before adding bass. You now craft the recognizable motif. Place the lead notes E4, D#4, B3 in that short descending pattern, repeating it with slight variations to create tension. Then add a bass line 2 octaves lower. Use C3 and G2 as anchors to imply the harmonic progression. Make notes short and staccato, accenting beats 1 and 3 to mimic the punchy attack. While doing this, zoom in on the grid to nudge timings. Small delays change feel dramatic. Finish by layering percussion. Add a kick on the strong beats and hi-hats on eighths to drive momentum. This gives Megalovania its pulse. Balance levels. Raise the lead so it cuts through, and pull back the bass a touch to avoid muddiness. Finally, export or loop the piece and listen at full volume. If something feels off, check the timing grid and quantize slight offsets. Small swing or corrected alignment fixes most phase or clash issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.